Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, right-click on the Start button located in the Windows 11 taskbar. Next, find and click on Task Manager from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you open Task Manager, click on Performance. Here, if you have both integrated and dedicated graphics, you'll see them listed under GPU 0 and GPU 1. Click on the GPU with the dedicated graphics card to check it. In the upper right corner, you'll find the name of your graphics card. Scroll down for more information. Under Dedicated GPU Memory, you can see how much RAM your graphics card has. Under GPU Temperature, you'll find the temperature of your graphics card. In the lower right corner, you can see the driver version, DirectX version, and physical location. And that's it! You successfully checked the graphics card on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.